Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through fixing the Apollo Group TV app on your Fire Stick if it's not updating properly. If your app keeps asking for updates, spins endlessly while downloading, or prompts for another update after downloading, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Uninstall the current Apollo app. The first step is to remove the existing app. Navigate to the Apps section on your Fire Stick. Select the Apollo Group TV app and uninstall it completely. Step 2. Install the Downloader app. Ensure the Downloader app is installed on your Fire Stick. This tool will help you get the latest version of Apollo. Step 3. Download the latest Apollo app. Here's how to get the updated version. 1. Open the Downloader app. 2. Enter this number, 2993, into the search bar and click Go. 3. The latest version of the Apollo Group TV app will begin downloading. Step 4. Complete the installation. Once the download is complete, install the app. Press the Home button on your remote, and the updated Apollo app will appear on your Fire Stick's home screen. That's it. The app should now work smoothly with all the latest updates. Additional support. If you still encounter issues, I've included a helpful link in the description with detailed instructions on downloading and setting up Apollo Group TV on your Fire Stick. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. See you next time.